Friday, y'all. Woohoo! Off for the weekend. Helping to fit a dash cam into a some electric car on Sunday. That should be fun. We'll see if we can find some electricity in that car. And I've picked rush hour today. In fact, let's get this off because I'm going to be in here a while. Yeah, so fitted a dash cam on Sunday. Don't know what else I'm going to be doing on the weekend. Probably go out and play cars. And editing, I suppose, because that's all I've been doing the last couple of days is editing. You wouldn't believe the sacrifices I've been through to make sure I can edit this next video for you. It won't be by the end of the week, I lied. Maybe it'll be by the start of the week. I'd like to get it done over the weekend, which is it is a possibility now that I've sorted my iPad out. But I had to reboot that to free up enough space. I'm starting to use quite a fair bit of the old gigabytes when filming, and it's taken up quite a lot of space, so I'm struggling with space management. So what should we talk about today? I think I finally given in. I'll tell you what car I've got. It's a Mercedes CLK 500. So that's 5.4 litre V8, 382 brake horse, and God knows how many torque. And it's a hoot. I love it. It's amazing. It replaces a Mark III Ford Focus ST Estate. And I love that car as well. I had two of them. I had a blue one, ST2, and then I upgraded to an ST3, which was red. And they were on PCP deals, so I was paying monthly for them. And basically, I got tired of paying when the red one only done 16,000 miles in 3 years. So I was sick of paying, so I decided let's just go out and buy a car. Looking around, there's loads of cars to choose from, but oh, that's a scooter. Bus nearly took a scooter out. Damn public transport. He's fine, he's in front of me. Domino's pizza delivery guy. Other pizza outlets are available. In fact, I don't even like Domino's. Yeah, that's going to be unpopular, I imagine. Domino's sucks. I hate Domino's pizza, and I'm a pizza lover. Back to the car. Back to the car. Yeah, 5 point something V8, whatever it is, 382 brake horse. Sounds awesome, but I'm not going to do it now because there's people around. I want to get a, like I said a couple of videos ago, I want to get an introductory video out for it, but I've got some plans that I want to. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is probably getting another series going up on YouTube showing the progress with this car. I've already done a small thing to it. I'm hoping to do a couple more little things to it because it is my daily, and it is. I don't want to be spending too much money on it. I want to put all the money into the Flexus. But yeah, I was sick and tired of spending money on a lot of money a month paying Ford to own one of their Ford Focuses. As good as they were, I wasn't doing the mileage, and I was basically paying to have it sat on the drive. It's boiling in here, so I've just put my cooled seats on because yeah, this is quite a high spec Mercedes. Which was part of the remit. When I was looking for a car, I wanted something that could replace the Focus, be just as fun as the Focus, just as quick as the Focus, and something that I could enjoy driving. And this was the only thing I could find that could really fit the bill. And within my price range. I think I paid just over £5 for this, and it's a 56 or 2006 model, and it's the sport model as well, so it's got all the AMG extras on it without the AMG badge, which costs extra to insure and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a bit of a find. I couldn't find any sports models. They're all avant-gardes or elegances, which are either your elegance is your posh ones, and your avant-gardes are your sporty ones. And then they made the 55 AMG, which has got the hand-built engines with less power than this, by the way. And then they made the sports then, which had all the AMG bits on it, and with a better engine, or the more powerful engine. Like I said, 382 brake horse instead of 340-ish, I think it is. And yeah, it comes with this fancy red leather. I don't think I've seen any other CLK with this fancy red leather in it. Especially not a W209, which this is. So it's the later facelifted model. And I should be in that lane. But do I be that person and cut them up? No, I'm going to behave. Yes, no, I'm not going to behave. I'm going to find a way in. Or am I? I'm going to find a way in. After this BMW. Here we go. Where was I? Yeah, so it's quite a high spec. Got the heated and cooled seats. Got parking thingamabobs, cruise control. Doesn't have adaptive cruise control, which I would love to retrofit at some point. That would be a pretty cool project, but I think that is intense and it requires quite a fair bit of expensive Mercedes parts to be put on, like the radar and the front badge. That's a pretty cool idea. Got the climate control. What else does it have? Auto wipers, auto lights, xenon lights. So that's something I missed from the Focus. You had bi-xenon lights which turned with the car and stuff. They were really cool. They were probably one of the best things about that Focus, to be fair. Brilliant pieces of kit. I got a 330i in front of me. He's blowing his exhaust. Mine sounds better. Haha. Oh, he's off. That's a yellow light, mate, and it's red for me. Damn. Yeah, so I wanted quite a high spec one. I think I got quite a high spec one. It's quite fun playing with the Tiptronic manual part of this automatic gearbox. That was another consideration. I wanted an automatic gearbox because I'm getting lazy in my old age. And like I said, my daily, well, you've seen my daily drive so far. It's like a couple of miles up and down the motorway, and generally in traffic. So I just wanted to make my life as easy as possible. So I went for an auto. It is very lazy, I must admit. Yeah, so heated and cooled seats, the Parktronic. It's got the command module in, which is pretty cool, but don't you dare cut me up. Ooh, I've had somebody hit me on this roundabout doing that before. It's idiot time. It's that time of day again. It's just everybody's out, all the idiots. Like, oh, this guy! Look at this guy trying to cut me up. People are just so. I really hate people driving. You lot out there, you're all rubbish. Focus on what you're doing rather than playing on your phones and talking into cameras. And then doing 30 miles an hour on the motorway. Anyway, this is why I bought an automatic car, because it makes life as lazy as possible and I don't get angry. You don't like me when I'm angry. No, I don't get angry. We're good. Where was I? Yeah, I like playing with the manual gearbox. The manual part of the gearbox, make the car sound pretty Gucci. It's quite loud, but only from outside. It seems it's quite quiet in here, which is both a good thing and a bad thing. It means my daily commute is nice and quiet, but then when I want to put my foot down and listen to it go, I can barely hear it. I got to wind the windows down. So yeah, this is it, the CLK 500. What else can I say about it? Got some plans. Show you them in the next couple of videos, I suppose. Try to think what other fancy bits it's got on here. It's just your generic older Mercedes. Got the command, like I said. I'm going to be replacing that with an aftermarket head unit. I did buy a Bluetooth unit that goes in the center console, but that only gives me phone function. I'd like Bluetooth, because I hate the radio. The radio sucks. That's why I started talking to you lot. So it's yeah, that's high on the plans, but the one I want is a couple of £100, because I want a top spec one, because I'm a sucker. But yeah, it's a couple of £100, and I'm just gonna have to wait, I think. So we'll see when that comes. I'll probably put a video out showing how to not how to upgrade it, but how I'm going to upgrade it. So yeah, I think that's it for today. You've met the new car. Told you about the old one. I'll probably put some pictures up of the old one as well, because I quite like that car and the one before it. So yeah, I suppose I'll see you guys next time. That's the old ball and chain asking me where am I. Hello.